Kilcash in County Tipperary, a place where stone, story and skyline meet. The ruined medieval church and its weathered graveyard form a quiet island of history below the crumbling tower of Kilcash Castle, once a Butler stronghold. The church stands on an early monastic site, traditionally linked with local saints. Its surviving masonry and layout show a long Christian presence here before the present ruined fabric took shape. From the late medieval period, the Kilcash manor and castle passed into the hands of the Butler family, a powerful Norman Irish dynasty whose Kilcash branch left a lasting imprint on the landscape. The graveyard itself is a historian's open book. The earliest visible headstones date from the late 17th century, and burials continued into modern times. Many more people lie here than stone markers alone reveal, because poorer parishioners were often commemorated only with simple markers or no marker at all. A striking Butler mausoleum sits at the northern end, nearly as large as the church, containing interments of notable family members including Colonel Thomas Butler, died 1738, and Archbishop Christopher Butler, died 1757. Some 18th century stones show deeply carved crucifixion scenes and ornate lettering that reward a slow, careful look. Walking through Kilcash today, you move through layers. An early Christian foundation, a medieval parish church once under the care of military orders, an estate church linked to a great Gaelic Norman family, and a people's graveyard shaped by poverty, faith, and memory. From the castle's ruined turret to the silent, sun-softened names in the churchyard, Kilcash is a compact, powerful map of Irish local history. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.